Welcome to vocab video 2. We are going to review the suffix ion. Remember, a suffix is a word part added to the end of a root or base word that makes a new word. And the suffix changes the meaning of that root or base word. Okay? The suffix ion can turn a verb such as suggest into a noun such as suggestion. Okay, let's read the sentence on the screen. The instruction said to cut on the dotted line. I'm going to model how to use the meaning of the base word and the suffix ion to determine the meaning of this word, instruction. First, I look at the word instruction, and the base word is the verb instruct, which means to tell someone to do something. Now, the suffix at the end, ion, turns the word into a noun. So the word instruction refers to something that tells someone what to do. In this case, it's something that tells me where to cut. Let's look at some more examples. Let's look at this projectile, and let's first draw our attention to the chart here at the top. The suffix ion, we know, can turn a word that's a verb into a noun. So here are some examples. So the word pollute as a verb is to make dirty or harmful to living creatures. But when we add the suffix ion, it becomes pollution, which is a noun, the dirtying of air, water, or soil. Okay? Interrupt as a verb is to break in or stop something. Interruption is a sudden stop to something as a noun. Confuse is to cause to be unable to understand. I'm sorry, I can't read that very good. Yep, to cause to be able to understand. Confusion is a state of being confused as a noun. So what we're going to do is we're going to work through this. There is no reader's notebook page. We're just going to work through this together and practice with the suffix ion. So we're going to find the word that has the ion suffix, and we're going to find its base word in each sentence pair. Underline the words and tell which word is the verb and which is the noun. Okay? So here we go. There are kittens available for adoption at the animal shelter. Can we adopt one, please? Okay, I see adopt as the base word, and I see adoption with the ion up here. So on the line, I would write adopt is the verb and adoption is the noun. Okay, let's do number 2. The abbreviation for street is ST, period. How do you abbreviate the words road and lane? Okay, I see abbreviation with our suffix. And in the second sentence, I see abbreviate, which is the base word. Remember, the base word is the verb, so you would write on the line, which we don't have to, but abbreviate is the noun, or I'm sorry, is the verb, and then abbreviation, when we add the suffix ion, is our noun. Okay, I'd like you to pause the video and go through 3, 4, and 5 with your learning adult, finding the pair of words, its word base and the suffix word in each sentence, and then decide which one is the verb and which one is the noun. You just work on this off the screen, unless you want to write them on a piece of paper. That's entirely up to you and how comfortable you feel with this suffix ion.